So we're going to replace the mirror, just the mirror, not the whole assembly on the side passenger mirror that's cracked. So to do that, we want to first tilt your mirror as far in one direction as you can, so that in this case I tilted it down so I can get this underneath, and then I should just be able to give it a little pop. Pop, and we are free. So we're going to unplug both of these. I'll get a pair of pliers to pull those off, and then I'll show you where we're at when we get back on. So make sure you're remembering which wire goes to which port, so that it's not mixed up later on. But now that those are both on tight, all you basically have to do is line up all these clips to right in here. Right in there, line that up, and then just pop it into place. You are good to go.